Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of ban on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve ban on Gmail app, you will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you can search about Gmail app and you can click. Here in this page you can click on first step and you will click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end you can go to Play Store like this and you can search about we can click on Gmail. If you will find updates, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and